Manufacturers are triple squeezed by limited labor, constrained supply, and erratic inflation. NTT Data counters the squeeze by managing manufacturing data and workflows to maximize capacity utilization and get the most out of your resources. You need to be able to coordinate and calibrate operations across plants and production lines, visualize complete data sets and simulate complete system outcomes, and connect individual production sites and regional operations to your larger supply chain. NTT Data's Nucleus opens up a world of manufacturing possibilities. It enables operational excellence with a modular, standardized digital automation platform for frictionless connectivity and productivity. You get end-to-end, integrated, and harmonized production data across sites that extends the smart factory into the supply chain. The services differentiating Nucleus platform unifies people, places, and outcomes. Nucleus allows you to streamline workflows and assess operations with unified data, deep analytics, and prescriptive outputs, shifting CapEx to OpEx. And allows you to heighten resilience with composable business strategies and fine-tune supply chain requirements with packaged capabilities that create digital twins, sense and shape demand, establish intelligent fulfillment, and synchronize suppliers. It's time to realize a world of possibilities for your manufacturing business. NTT Data and Nucleus can help make it happen.